All good evening. Welcome to the 360DigiTMG channel, friends. I'm excited to once again connect with you all and explain about the internship opportunity that we are providing for everyone and all who are interested in upskilling themselves in the space of data science and data analytics. This is a CSR program offered by 360DigiTMG, which is a completely free program. And this particular interaction that we are having right now is an orientation session for your project. A lot of you people have already enrolled into this particular internship opportunity from various platforms. If you have not, then you can enroll it now. All you have to do is send a request to the team. You can leave a chat message also. Our team will connect with you and share the details. So let's start with the overview of the program. The idea of this internship program was because a lot of interviews that we conduct miserably failed. The reason is not because of the technical capabilities. People who have attempted the interviews, they were very good with respect to theoretical knowledge. But when it comes to the practical challenges, when we ask questions on scenarios that you would really implement in a production environment, for example, people were failing to answer those questions. A lot of you people who have joined here are probably undergoing your data science, ML, or AI programs from various channels. And a lot of you are very diligently learning these concepts and, in fact, doing a lot of research to unearth, right? Dig into a lot of details. I really appreciate all of that efforts, and that is what is required. Competition is growing, right? So you'll have to excel by doing a lot of research and learning a lot of new things. But the challenge here is the practical exposure. Theoretically, you're very good. But when it comes to the implementation of these theoretical skills, the gap will arise. And this is exactly what we wanted to fill in as part of this community service program. If you are interested in analytics, whether it is machine learning, whether it is generating user stories, using right visualizations or business intelligence tools, anything related to data, basically, right? So how you have to actually start your journey? What are the various things that you will be requiring when you're trying to implement this theoretical knowledge in the industry? This is the gray area that we are trying to target. And of course, a lot of you students who are probably studying third year or fourth year of your graduation, you need to do industry induction. You need to work on a project as well as per your academics. So this particular project, internship project that we're offering can also serve that purpose. So welcome all who have registered. And let me walk you through with this entire program. This program basically is divided into two phases, friends. There will be a learning phase and then the hands-on phase or the practical phase. In the learning phase, of course, you'll be doing the revision of all the concepts that you have learned, or if you have not learned, you'll have to learn now. Predominantly, we will be covering the concepts of Python, SQL, then data preliminaries and the tools, various tools that are used to process this data, clean the data, right? All these steps will be covered as part of the learning phase. You'll have to go through them. If you're already familiar with these things, very good. If not, please revise them, right? Please go through them. Once this learning phase, right, on a daily basis, once you're going through the resources that we share, you would be also being asked to write your answers as part of the evaluation that we conduct on LinkedIn. So in LinkedIn, you'll have to answer the questions, friends. It will be something on these lines. Let me show you the LinkedIn page, the questions that you basically try to answer. Right? So it is something like this. And the beauty is it is not an MCQs. You will basically have to come up with your answers in detail like this in the comment section. This basically brings in your creativity, your expression, right? Your language becomes much more refined. Do not try to copy paste. It's not going to help you in any ways. but try to answer these questions in your own language, in your own words, no plagiarism. This is also solving another purpose, that is enhancing your LinkedIn profile. All right, this is a LinkedIn page, 360DigiTMG page, and you'll have to participate in this kind of a questions, right? Exams. LinkedIn is one of the, I should say, popular platform, the top platform, in fact, for uh, basically shortlisting the resources, right? The shortlisting the profiles. So employers look into your profiles over LinkedIn. And if you are strong here with your subject and skill sets, then that would create a confidence in the employer as well to consider your profile. So it serves that purpose also when you try to answer these questions in detail like this. Your activity basically is shown on your platform, right? Your page. That creates the confidence in the employer's minds as well. So this is something that you'll have to do. And talking about the next phase, that is after the learning phase is done, after your evaluation is done, we will be moving you to project phase. Right? We will also evaluate how consistently you're writing the answer, whether you're copy pasting the answers, right? How many answers you're missing, all these things we will keep a track of it. And then once you're successfully completing the learning phase, we'll move to project phase. And this is where you'll be actually doing the hands-on. Whatever skills that you have learned, you'll be implementing them. And to guide in the entire process, one expert from our side, one mentor, a mentor's team, I should say, in fact, would help you with respect to the steps. With all the industry experience that they have, they will guide you on what you have to do. And to ensure that everybody is ensuring that the deadlines are met, on a daily basis, we'll conduct the meeting. 15 minutes, but on a daily basis, it will be there, Monday to Friday. And we will be discussing on what you have to do for the next 24 hours. So this is how the program is designed. And right, once we go to the project phase, we'll be discussing more about the technical requirements that you'll have to fulfill. Once you complete your work, once you develop everything, once you submit all your work, you would be given a certificate, something like this. And this certificate, yes, you can absolutely float on your social media and showcase that, yes, this is a new skill that you have acquired. And remember, this is completely free, right? So this is very, very important point. We're not charging anything for this. So you can share the word and you can help your friends, family members who are interested in taking up this project for their career enhancements. So this is about the program, friends. This is the overall program. Now, what happens is once you register and once you are enrolling into the program, there's this portal, AI Spry portal. The access to this portal is given. You will get the username and password credentials for your account or your email. And once you log into your account, right, you can see, once you go to the dashboard, you'll be able to see something called as projects like this. There is a tab called projects. You'll be able to click into the projects and then go into the projects. Whatever is the project that is assigned to you, you'll be able to see the content tab. Right? Before that, you'll also have learning resources. It'll be something on these lines, the folders, right? Like this. You'll have folders like this. And based on the program that you're registering, right? This is the program. Today, we are attending. So tomorrow onwards, the session will begin, when your duration will begin. So you'll have a specific folder, and within the folder, you'll have learning resources. So this is the platform that you should be looking out for. And this program is launched or is provided by 360DigiTMG. And what basically we are trying to do is reach out to as many people as possible and ensure that our knowledge is shared with them. This is my profile. My name is Sharath, and I'm one of the directors. I basically focus more on the technicalities of the projects, machine learning implementation, that is MLOps, and then data engineering in designing the pipelines for the data to move into the analytics platforms is what I primarily do. And if you want to connect, please don't shy away. you can send the request, and I'll be very happy to share my knowledge, whatever the knowledge that I carry, I'll pass on to you. And this program, as I said, is offered to you by 360DigiTMG. This is the platform, and we keep doing a lot of programs to help our community. This is basically one of the pages that you should see when you come to 360DigiTMG page. This is the success stories page where people who have successfully transformed their careers into data science, data scientists, data engineers, data architects. Their profiles are basically shared here. Only of those people who agree to have their page, details here. So there's a PDF. You can always download this PDF and then try to see the connects. You can always connect with these people. Their LinkedIns are also given here. Right? You can always try and reach out to them and ask their inputs on how they prepared, how did they end up getting into these different jobs in very, very interesting companies. All these companies are basically the top MNCs that we're talking about. It is Amazon, Capgemini, Deloitte, HCL, whatnot. Right? This is, I'll share. It's not just India, friends. Even in Dubai, we have our team working in across the globe, not just Dubai, across the globe. We have our team working in different companies. So this is the success stories. You might want to basically connect with our strength, our alumni, and this is the YouTube link. The link that you have attending the session from. I would recommend you to subscribe because there are a lot of live sessions that we keep conducting. All right. So take the advantage of these live sessions. These are the success stories. They share their journey, and we also have a lot of additional information like how did these people end up getting into research article publications. Then we have technical courses which are freely given. You can basically go through them. We also have the podcast that we conduct. Then we basically have a lot of, I should say, industry connect sessions. We try to invite people who are honoring the repeated positions in various companies to share their industrial experience. We conduct these kind of sessions, completely free sessions. So a lot of things happen on our YouTube channel. You might want to subscribe to this channel. And last but not the least, in fact, this is the most important thing that you should look at is the learning resources page, friends. We have mind map and the learning resources page, the tabs, very, very important for your preparation. You can see there are a lot of mind maps that are available for you to basically go through our entire content in a very quick manner. It's like a bird's eye view for the entire concepts that we have on our courses. This is for data science. We have data analytics. We have AI. We have data engineering, machine learning operations. In fact, we have Python programming fundamentals. This is something very, very important, isn't it? If you are learning Python programming, then the fundamentals of Python programming concepts are given here at a very high level and bird's eye view. You can click and basically expand this. This is for the deep learning. Right. So there are a lot of these resources that you should basically take the advantage of, friends. If I go to the learning resources page, here again, you have a lot of stuff that helps you enhance your knowledge. We do conduct a lot of webinars, free sessions, sessions specifically designed for our students, resume building activities. All right. And there are resources like book is available, ML Architect Design Studio is available, quiz page is available. Then we also have Resume Mapper, which enhances your resume. It helps you optimize your resume to map to the required job requirements. So a lot of such details are available. Please explore and try to help yourself to transform yourself into a very good career opportunities. So that's all from my side, friends. And right, as I told, this is a very good opportunity that you should be seizing on. It is a completely free program for all the people who are interested in getting into data science as a career opportunity, data as a career opportunity. Thank you so much, friends, and good luck with your learning phase. You should be watching out for the AI Spry account. The email should be sent to your registered email IDs by Monday, and you can start your entire learning phase from Monday onwards. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.